What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel where I help the new generation make and save more money, and I'm back again with another renting in Vancouver video. And to be honest, I just like looking at this stuff. Even if I wasn't making a video, I just have an interest in looking at houses that I can't afford, but also places to rent, because I'm interested in it. Like, if someone's getting a better place and I'm paying more, I need to know about it. And in this series, I like to start on the lower end of rent, so probably around $600, $700, and by the end we'll get up to looking at places that are about $2,000. And if this video helps you at all, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you want as well. So let's take a look at what we've got today. I do this live, by the way, so I'm literally like looking through here and showing you guys. I think it's better that way. All right, we're gonna start with 600. So let's do minimum 500 and maximum 600. So this is downtown Vancouver, by the way, this area that I'm circling with my mouse. That's downtown. So obviously downtown, there's going to be the more expensive stuff. So if we find anything that's like 500 downtown, it's probably not too hot, like, I'll be honest. So we should take a look at that. I definitely think we'll find a closet or two for rent. So 550. Take a look. Nice living room. But wait, don't get too excited yet. I remember this. Looking for an apartment and thinking that. Okay, this is actually impressive. I think because of the whole, like, I'm gonna call it the flu thing that's going on, to be honest. I think that's why this is lower. It is nice because there's windows. Usually when there's $500 for a place, it's like a den or like just a closet, and they convert it to a bedroom. I've seen places where you need to lift up the mattress off the floor to be able to open and close the door for like $700. No joke. You wouldn't have room for a desk, but some people just don't need a desk. $600 for a full bedroom? $600 each, or $1,200 if you don't want to share. What? We're gonna move up another $100 here. There's one right on the water. Let's check that out. Looks pretty nice and new. Has garage parking, it says. Large room with ocean view and balcony. This one seems like a really good price. So it's not on the water though, because it showed that it was over here on this, and it's definitely not. But who knows? It could be real, it might not be. Let's take a look at a 700 one here. Okay. Oh, actually, my friend lives in this building. I don't think the roof has any color on it. The pool is actually, there's nothing underneath it. It's just like, I don't know, 20 floors up, and it's a glass bottom pool. That's really cool, but I've never seen this on the ceiling. I don't think that's real. Yeah, and this is what they call a flex room, which is kind of like, it's just a storage room, but a lot of people convert it into bedrooms. And like I said before, sometimes you have to move stuff to be able to open and close the doors. This one has a sliding door here, so you wouldn't have to worry about that if you want to live in a closet. Here you go. Let's take a look at another 700 one. Definitely the strategy here is to post, you know, like the living room photos and stuff first. And then they're like, all right, here's your bedroom. It's 3 feet by 1 inch. Nice amenities, like nice living room. It's all new. I like the walls. But where's the bedroom? These people actually have a TV in here and like shelves already set up. Most of them have literally nothing. It's just a box. So we're just gonna go up to $800 now and see what we can find. Definitely a solarium. Gym, kitchen, yeah. I mean, I'm sure it's a nice building, but it really is like about your bedroom at the end of the day, at least to me. So this place is $800 a month, and I just want to bring up that, you know, you're paying for location really. Obviously, you're in a solarium, and it's like a box, right? I live here in this area, Kitsilano, right? I'm like 20 minutes from downtown, and I pay $1,100 a month, so $300 more. I have an apartment tour here. I'll link it above if you want to see it. But I think paying $300 more, even though I'm a little bit away, and I get, trust me, I have a lot more space than this. Okay, we're gonna go up to $900 now. Right in the middle, let's take a look. This one has a lot of photos. Oh, so they have it here. The den is 800 and the solarium is 900. So it's still not a full bedroom, but we'll see. $800. I mean, you get a lot of light, but $800, I don't know. So this is the den. The other one was a solarium. So this one's $800 a month, and it's tile floor. Like it looks like a hospital, to be honest. They can't justify them putting it for $800. So this place might be actually nicer. We'll see, for less, because it's not in the greatest area. I know this building is generally new as well. Okay, this is like the room at the top that everyone gets to share. Okay, so this one seems like the first bedroom. Oh, actually, I just noticed there's a door here. So this is actually like a dining room, I think. I think that's what this would be typically used for, is like a dining room or something like that in here, because obviously sliding doors. But I'll give it to them, they put up some storage. I mean, it is kind of weird with a door there and sliding doors. This one's $850. So overall, this one's building isn't as nice, but it looks like this is the first bedroom actually. Like this is a real bedroom. And I think it also said this, yeah, this one has a washer and dryer in the unit. So that's pretty nice because it's not something you normally get. So at $900, we found our first place that you actually get your own bedroom for. So we're gonna move it up to $1,200 and just see what the gap is like. See if there's like a lot nicer places for just a couple $100 more. So I'd say at $1,000, you should be expecting to get your own room, like for sure. One bedroom in a townhouse. Interesting. That's cool. They have a rooftop deck. I mean, fair enough. You get your own bedroom in this one. And it actually looks pretty nice. So I'd say this one is, yeah, worth $1,000. So here's another one for $1,100. Is this the bedroom? I can't really tell. Oh, that's the room. See, that's crazy. If you have not seen this video, look at it like super briefly, because this is what I paid for $1,100, and I guarantee you I have a better deal than this. I mean, obviously there's better deals everywhere, but this is like someone is actually trying to get someone to pay $1,100 a month for this. That's just like scum, I swear. That's so bad. Here's one for $1,200. Interesting so far. Is that your room? It looks like this is your room. Looks like a pretty good space. There's closets on both sides of the bed and everything seems pretty new. And to think the one we just looked at before this, that freaking box, dude, that den was $1,100. That's just insane. We're gonna take a look at what $1,400 to $1,500 gets us. This one's interesting. There's not a lot of houses in downtown Vancouver, of course, because it's all buildings like now, but some of them are still there. So this one's $1,400. And it's also a micro suite. So this one actually might be one bedroom, like it could be. Is this all one room? I can't really tell. I can't really tell what's going on. Is it one room? It is. Yeah, so this is one room. So it's literally shaped like this, and then there's like the kitchen wall. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this is literally just, yeah, one room. To be honest, it looks really dark if it's not a basement. Yeah, so not great, but for $1,400 downtown, I mean, yeah, not bad. So here's one for $1,500. The last one was $1,400 that we just looked at, by the way. Okay, this one looks like a full room also. Bro, I hate when people take pictures like this. This is just me. Like, move the dishes at least, I swear. I wouldn't move in there just because of that. Maybe it's me, I don't know. Looks like a pretty small space, to be honest. This could be priced at $900, $800. I think it'd be fair. Like, it's not that big of a space. You have room for a desk, sure, and a bed. That's not worth $1,500. So now that we're looking at like $1,700 to $1,900, you can see how many more places there are listed for that much. Let's take a look at one. This one is $1,867 a month. I wonder how they came up with that number. So probably at this price, we're talking about like one bedroom places. Like, you don't have to share, especially if it's $1,800, you should not have to share. So one thing about these places I don't really love is, you know, to bring in light, they have these like panels, and also they leave the top open, which means if someone's in there, you know, you can hear everyone out here, which is okay if you live by yourself, but it's just something to note because the place does look really good. Yep, there's the bedroom. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Not a lot of complaints, it's just expensive, that's all. So this one's $1,800. One bed. Oh, this looks like a Murphy bed actually, right? I mean, it looks like there's this spot here. That's awesome. Like, I would get a Murphy bed. I would get it in like my place now, except they cost like over $1,000 to install. So this place looks nice though, and also it looks like they have a nice deck right there. Yep, that's a big deck for like downtown. And finally, we're gonna put it up to $2,000 for the last look here. If you guys want me to take a look at higher priced places in the future, I can certainly do that. Just let me know. Here is one for 2,000. That's probably a shared rooftop or garden. Interesting. We got a Murphy bed here. I'll say one thing about this place is even though it's $2,000, they also have a solarium in here. I just saw. Plus, they have in-suite laundry. Right here, they have a solarium, which, yeah, it could be an office or a little, like, dining area. For me, I would sacrifice a bedroom. Like, I would have a Murphy bed to have an extra space like an office or something like that. I just think that's way better. Let's take a look at one more here. 2-minute walk to the beach, new renovation. Well, obviously, it looks all white. Brand new TVs. Oh, this one seems like it just comes with, like, everything. And if you are going to pay $2,000, you better have all these nice things, so it makes sense. It does remind me a little bit of a hospital, like all this metal and just white. That just does not work for me. So we just took a look at everything from 600 all the way up to 2,000, and there are a lot of places that are even higher than that. So if you guys want to see something like 3,000, 2,000 and up, be sure to leave a comment and I can do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week.